Toothaches can vary greatly, from mild soreness to an unbearable throbbing pain in your teeth or around your jaws. Some of the main causes of toothaches are cavities, an infection, an exposed tooth root, a cracked tooth, gum disease, a loose filling, or jaw joint disorder. A toothache, see the above diagram, happens when the central region of the tooth, known as the pulp, becomes irritated or inflamed. The pulp consists of several nerve endings that are highly sensitive. Pulp can become inflamed or irritated for many reasons, some of which are noted above. If you have toothache, it is best to seek immediate advice from a dentist before the problem worsens. You can also try some natural remedies to relieve the pain temporarily. Here are the top 10 home remedies for toothaches. Pepper and salt. Salt mixed with pepper can be of great use when a tooth becomes extremely sensitive, as both the ingredients have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. 1. Mix equal amounts of pepper and common salt with a few drops of water to form a paste. 2. Apply the paste directly on the affected tooth and allow it to sit for a few minutes. 3. Do this daily for several days. Garlic. Use of garlic can also provide immense relief from toothache. Garlic has antibiotic and other medicinal properties that can be very effective in reducing the pain. 1. Mix a crushed garlic clove, or garlic powder, with some table salt or black salt and apply it directly on the affected tooth to alleviate the pain. If you prefer, you can chew 1 or 2 cloves of garlic to get relief. 2. Repeat this natural treatment for a few days. Cloves. Cloves have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant and anesthetic properties that help alleviate tooth pain and fight infection. Grind 2 whole cloves. Mix in a little olive oil or any vegetable oil and apply on the affected tooth. Another option is to dab a cotton ball in clove oil and rub it directly on the sore tooth. Or, you can mix a few drops of clove oil in half a glass of water and use it as a mouth rinse. Onion. Onions have antiseptic and antimicrobial properties that control a toothache. It can provide relief from pain by killing the germs causing an infection. At the first sign of a toothache, chew raw onion for a few minutes to relieve the pain. If you are not able to chew it, place a piece of raw onion directly on the bad tooth or gum. Asafoetida. Dental problems such as toothaches and bleeding gums can be treated at home with the use of asafoetida. Simply add a pinch or 1/2 teaspoon of powdered asafoetida to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and then warm it slightly. Use a cotton pad to apply the solution on the affected area. This will give you quick relief from the pain. Alternatively, asafoetida fried in clarified butter can be put in the tooth cavity for instant relief. Warm salt water. A simple glass of warm salt water can help treat a toothache. Mix half a spoon of common salt in a glass of hot water and use it to rinse your mouth thoroughly. It will help reduce swelling and inflammation, and also fight the bacteria that cause infection. Guava leaves. Fresh guava leaves can also alleviate toothache, thanks to their anti-inflammatory, analgesic and antimicrobial properties. Simply chew 1 or 2 tender guava leaves until the juice starts working on the affected tooth. You can also use raw spinach leaves in the same way. Another remedy is to put 4 to 5 guava leaves in water and boil it. Allow the solution to cool to a warm temperature and add some salt. Use the solution as a mouthwash. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is another popular home remedy for treating toothache as it helps numb the pain. Plus, the vanilla has a calming effect. 1. Dip a cotton swab in vanilla extract and dab it on the affected area. 2. Do this a few times a day until you get relief. Wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass has natural antibacterial properties that will help fight tooth decay and relieve toothache. Extract the juice of wheatgrass and use it as a mouthwash. It will absorb toxins from the gums, reduce the growth of bacteria and keep the infection under control. If you wish, you can simply chew on wheatgrass. Ice cubes. Ice can help alleviate tooth pain by numbing the nerve endings. Wrap a small ice cube in a thin cotton cloth. Hold it on your cheek near the aching tooth for a few minutes. If you have exposed nerves, contact with the cold can cause more pain. An acupressure technique that can ease tooth pain is to rub an ice cube between your index finger and thumb for a few minutes. In addition to trying these remedies, make sure to consult your dentist. Some dental and gum problems require more aggressive treatment than home remedies.